Thank you. Thank you so much. Gracias. Muchas gracias. Oh.
Hola, hola. All right. So it's Monday, January 22nd? So it's time to switch countries. We're going to take the ferry to Uruguay. I just bought the ticket. So where you buy the ticket is kind of far from the port where you get the ship. It's like 40 minutes or something like that. But I'm going to take the bus, so it's not going to be that long. Instead, I have to be an hour early. That's it. So see you at the dock. All right, so almost to Puerto Madero. That's where all the ferry ship goes to. I mean, you can ferry either to Montevideo, which is the capital, or Colonia. It's cheaper to go to Colonia and just take the bus from there, which is what I want to do. It's only about 2 hours from Colonia. If I were to ferry straight from Buenos Aires to Montevideo, it's like $2 or something like that, right? So I'll just take the cheaper route. All right, by the port, Colonia Express is the ferry I'm going to take over to Uruguay. It's about an hour and a half ride, I think. All right, I just got through customs. Obviously, I couldn't put my phone out there, but how it is, there's a desk with like 4 of them sitting, and the first guy's an Argentine guy. He talked to him, and he's like, go down to that lady over there at the other end of the desk. She's Uruguay. She's the one who put me in. She didn't even say anything. She just stamped my shit. Boom. Uruguay. So we're just waiting for the boat now. We're almost off. All right, so this is the gate upstairs where people are waiting to go into the boat. Puerto 2, Puerto 3. Everyone's just waiting to get on. So that's it. All right, looks like it's showtime. People are loading in. Oh shit, duty free shop and everything. This is the most advanced ferry I've ever been on. We're going upstairs, so I go upstairs too. There's a seats over there. It's not bad, man. It's not bad at all. Water's brown, so you can't even see anything through that, huh? Is that the casino over there? Looks pretty old.
Muchas gracias. Oh.
All right, just off the ferry. It's about an hour and 10 minutes. I slept mostly through it. So we're in Uruguay now. It's my surface. Wow, it's what's luxurious. Right here, 13. All right, we're in Montevideo. I'm almost at the bus stop. It's about 3 hours, man. I thought it would be 2, but it's 3 hours. All right, just touched Montevideo. Now, first thing first, I gotta change some money, man. Change some cash. Just when I was getting used to the fucking Argentino peso, now I gotta get the Uruguayan peso. All right, downtown Montevideo, or Montevideo, whatever you want to call it. It's busy. A little bit cooler than Buenos Aires, Argentina, but I don't know if it's the time of day or whatever, but it's life. Portuguese in 4 months. You learn that. Hola, hola. Yeah. All right, here's a cambio right here, finally. Shit, they closed. No, they open. All right, now their money looks different. You got a $2,000 bill, $1,000 bill, and some coins. You know how long I haven't seen coins? Like since back in Canada. All right. I won't lie. It kind of looks like Buenos Aires with all the old brown stones and stuff like that. But why am I seeing leaves though? I thought it's supposed to be summer here, not fall. Little pizza shop right over there, little quaint small space. It's a red door in the middle of bland colors. That's cool. So because it's a freestyle, I just came here. I didn't book anything in advance, so I'm just at a hostel. So right now I'll be in a shared room today, and then tomorrow I'll be in a private room. So yeah. At the first house I went to, they said they didn't have any beds, any availability, but he recommended to this one. It's called Yuki House or something. And yeah, it's all right. People came in here, they welcomed me. They speak English here, so that's a bonus. You know what I'm saying? All right, so this is the room. For 18 US a night, I'll either get this one or this one. 18 US a night. That's very cheap. I usually don't stay in hostels, but like I said, I didn't book an Airbnb or nothing, so this will be it. And then the private room, which is over there, that's tomorrow for me. You said you go up there and there's a terrace, like rooftop where people chill, drink, talk. I didn't go up there yet though. So just around the corner from the hostel, I'm just getting something to eat. I haven't eaten anything all day. It's just a specialty hot dog place, Pancho. So Pancho means hot dog or something. I don't know. Pancho Val, that's where it is. So that's all I'm gonna eat, you know. But everybody back at the hostel is cool, you know. I sat there talking with the guy from Peru, just telling me about where to go, stuff like that, gave me tips. Everything's cool so far in Montevideo. I don't know if this is a rough foot or not, but it's like the stores around there, they operate through bars and stuff like that. So you know what I mean? You tell them it's like gas stations at home, you know, and they gotta go through the gate, you tell them what they want, and they come through. Alright, so this is what the terrace looks like. This is what my food looks like.